Hello parents and students, I'm Mr. Gallagher and today we're going to review rounding to the highest place value. This is an important skill that is used extensively in the book and it's important to review this to be successful. The highest place value is the digit to the farthest left in a number. For example, 1256, the 1 is the farthest, the highest place value. In 423, the 4, it's farthest to the left. In 46,923, to the farthest left is the 4. And in 32, it's the 3. Why round in the first place? First of all, it simplifies a difficult number. Okay. Also, it gives a quick and easy way to check long, difficult problems for reasonable answers. What is rounding? Rounding is replacing a number with one that is simple and is approximately the same size as the original number. For example, 17 is rounded to 20. There are 3 rules in rounding. The first rule is if the digit to the right of the largest place value is a 0, 1, 2, 3, or a 4, we round the number off. For example, 13, the highest place value is the 1. The number next to that and to the right is a 3. A 3, the rule says we round down, so this becomes 10. The second rule of rounding has to do with the other numbers that we didn't talk about in the first rule. If the number or the digit to the right of the largest place value is a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we round the number up. For example, if we have the number 17, the largest place value is the 1. The 7 is to the right of the largest place value. The rule on 7s is we round up. And the 17 now is rounded to a simpler number, 20. The third rule of rounding to the highest place value says if a number is a single digit, do not round the number. This is because the number is already a small, simple number and does not need to be rounded. So if you see a 7, don't round it, leave it as a 7, a 3 as a 3, and a 2 as a 2, and 9 as a 9, and so on with those single digits. Now comes practice. Let's round to the highest place value. First number of the practice is 397. We underline the largest place value, the 3. We go next door to the 3, the 9. The rule on 9s is we round up, and it becomes 400. The second example is 4,426. The 5 is the largest place value. Next door to the 5 is a 4. The rule on 4s is we round down, and this becomes 5,000. The third example is 42. The highest place value is the 4. We go next door to the 2. The rule on rounding 2s is to round it off, and it becomes 40. Okay, here comes the fourth example is 9. Oh, single digits are not rounded, so we're just going to keep 9 as 9 because it's a simple number already. The last example is 96,422. The 9 being the largest place value. Next door is a 6. We round up, and now 96,000 gets rounded up to the nearest 10,000, which is 100,000. And that is rounding to the nearest, the largest place value.